Christmas! Merry Christmas, everyone! Hello!
That is gross. She's just grabbing the.
Who is that?
It's Daddy.
That's Daddy ba?
Oh
Nag-agi?
no. Oh, the frogs are
My
gathering
daddy
outside of her
is
house.
the best.
You don't want to mess with the frogs.
Best
Just go in her house.
everywhere. My daddy is the best. The
Yeah, be
best
very afraid.
everywhere.
Stay
I
away
miss my
right now,
daddy
Mr.
and
Frog.
mommy.
We don't want any problems.
My daddy is the best that ever have. My daddy is the best, the best. Yeah. Hey girls, what are you doing, girls?
Playing.
Playing.
Yeah.
Bad. She's still alive though. She's surviving through. She's running to her ends meet. Oh yeah.
Alright.
Rain is still hungry. She may be getting some thirst, but yeah, she's crying. She knows that this might be the end. Multiple days have gone
Smells
by.
that, baby?
No one's come to save her because her and Steve.
What
got that
happened?
fight.
Na-destroy?
And she's stuck in this.
Na-destroy? Who's that fault? Who's that fault? Oy, who's that fault?
Mom should be able to go ahead and.
Mara's fault?
That's when Steve came. Oh, geez.
Is that your fault, Mara? You say sorry to Ate. You hug Ate Cow. Hug Ate Cow. You say sorry. Cow. Cow, hug Ate Cow. You say sorry ka. Kiss Ate Cow. Go. Kiss Ate, ha. Kiss Ate. Love Ate. Love.
The relationship. This.
Cow, hug Ate na. Nag-cry na sa Ate.
Oh no, Alex.
Sige na, Ate. Come here na, Ate. Oh, hug your sister na. Hug your sister. Sige na. Hug. Kiss Dayon. Kiss.
He didn't learn. He did not learn his lesson. He's still breaking Alex. And look at her. She's terrified to go outside now. She's like, do I go outside?
Share.